Hello friends, good day to all. Today I am going to show you how to prepare egg kurma. This kurma you can have along with your white rice, dosa, idli or chapati also you can have. It will be really very tasty. Let's start with the preparation. So I am going to add some half cup of grated coconut in the mixie and then add 2 tablespoons of chili chicken masala. If you have mutton masala you can add that also. So we are not going to add any other chili powder, only this masala we are going to have for spiciness. Then grind it in the mixie. In the meanwhile, in the kadai I am going to add some 3 tablespoons of oil. After the pan got heated, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute it until the raw smell goes away. Now add the curry leaf to the ginger garlic paste and then saute it for some 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the coconut masala paste in the kadai and then mix it well. Fry all these content in the pan for some 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 tumbler of water to the mixture and mix the content very well. The taste and smell will be exactly like a shop side paratha kurma. Add the required amount of salt to it. You can definitely try this at your home. It will be really very tasty. Let this get boiled. Now I have taken a 3 beaten egg. In this egg I have added 1 green chili to it. So after that mixture got boiling completely, we are going to add the egg to the mixture. So we can have this kurma without egg also. That will be a very good side dish for paratha and chapati. So I am adding the egg to it because today I am going to have it with the white rice. So I am adding a egg to it and mix it very well. So after 1 to 2 minutes egg will be get cooked completely. You will be started seeing it. See, if you mix it means egg will get separated. See, egg is getting separated and after 1 to 2 minutes kurma will be getting ready. That's all. Egg kurma is ready now. You can serve this hot along with the white rice. It will be really very tasty. Please try this kurma at your home and share your comments. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Enjoy your day. Bye friends. Take care. That's all. Egg kurma is ready now. You can switch off the gas at this stage and serve hot with the white rice. It will be really very tasty. So please try this at your home. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Enjoy your day, friends. Bye bye. Take care.